Mayor CCP, IG Rajesh Kumar, Principal Government Polytechnic, Deputy Mayor, others from CCP, police officers, and others who are present. In fact, we always stress on cleanliness. If we clean anything, there will be a waste material. The problem comes how we collect this waste material. If we collect waste material and put on the road at the places which are identified or earmarked by CCP, people don't put on that. People object to that. Why you have put this structure near our house? And then whole waste material is collected by trucks or by their own material and it is transported to various places. Now you see so much huge waste material transported to various places, and if put at one place, the whole area nearby that place becomes inhabitable. Nobody wants to remain, nobody wants to live nearby waste management plant. Government has identified various places, luckily in Goa, for this waste material plant in different places. But that too also being objected by many persons because when due to waste material, it is difficult to live there. So this innovation which has been done, that this particular Panji city or even whole Goa has to be made pollution free, tension free for the people from the waste material. This technology is being adopted by CCP. Police department is really grateful to CCP that they have identified police location. It is in fact, I am also very particular about cleanliness. When I joined, there were not much cleanliness of police stations and police premises. But I have stressed, slowly, policemen have developed habit of cleanliness in their premises. This, since I have done BSc in agriculture and MSc in agriculture, I have also studied, when I was in 80s, when I studied in colleges, I know importance of compost, biogas, and biofertilizer. So this technology, if you put at particular premises, this will take out all tensions of citizens as well as organization. Like waste material, they have demonstrated how gas will be generated, how it can be useful. It will be really useful to our canteen. Likewise, wherever such plant will come, it will help particular organization. And this type of technology, this type of machines which have been invented by a company that he has already briefed you, this is very good. These are the innovations which are done in our country by various innovators. We are very grateful to him that he has innovated such machines, he has innovated such technology. It is very clean, it doesn't look tidy, it looks very nice. Like from outside, it is not it doesn't look like it is a waste material technology or waste material machine. It looks quite good and the complex also. So I request such innovators that they should innovate various technologies so that our country remains environmental, pollution free, and environment should be good. Actually, we are very grateful to CCP whenever we request our mayor and commissioner and their engineers. They are very readily helped to police. When we were talking about police headquarters, they have very readily accepted our many requests. So, particularly mayor, he is very, very sensitive towards police. We have discussed various issues. They are also helpful in helping us to remove traffic congestion in the city. Slowly, we are discussing what can be done. So we have installed signals also, and they have readily accepted for maintenance. So likewise, there are various things that CCP mayor is doing for police department. We are really grateful to you, and we are really grateful to whole organization CCP for supporting police. And we are also very grateful to police officers, especially SP, GRP, who has coordinated with CCP and installed this. He has made efforts that it will be useful to our police department. Thank you.
कॅम्पसान हो आमचो सेकंड बायोडायजेस्टरच्या इनॉग्रेशनाक हजर आशिल्ले गोंय राज्याचे डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस श्री मुकेश कुमारजी, हांगा हाजीर आशिल्ले इन्स्पेक्टर जनरल श्री राजेश कुमारजी, पॉलिटेक्निकाचे प्रिंसिपल बाब लुईस फर्नांडीस, माझे कलीग डेप्युटी मेयर बाब वसंत आक्षीकर, बाब पुंडलीक राऊत देसाय, हांगा आशिल्ले अस्मिता केरकर, बाकीचे सगळे डीवायएसपी, एसपी डीवायएसपी, PI, बाकी सगळे पुलीस आनी हांगा सगळे जमिल्ले मोगा भावना आनी भयणीनो, आज हो आमचो सेकंड बायोडायजेस्टर आमी इनॉग्रेशन करता. टोटल 12 ह्या पणजे सिटीन आमी बायोडायजेस्टर घालतले. आनी हे जे जी सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम आसा इनोवेशन क्लीन टेक्नॉलॉजी, त्याच्या अंडर आमकां 2.50 lakhs 2 crores 50 lakhs जे आमकां फंड मेळ्ळा. आनी टोटल 5 TPD म्हणजे 5 टनाचे हितून गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट जातले टोटल 12 हितून, म्हणजे सगळे वेरियस हितून एक 100 kgs टू 1000 kgs अशे हे सगळे जी कॅपॅसिटीचे 500-300 kgs अशे कॅपॅसिटीचे वेगळ्या वेगळ्या जाग्यार घालतले. आमचो जो मोटो आसा पणजे कॉर्पोरेशनाचो, कीप पणजे क्लीन अँड ग्रीन, ह्या खातीर हो बायोडायजेस्टर सामको इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. तुमकां खबर आसतली आमकां डंप सायट ना, आमचे कडेन स्वताची ट्रिटमेंट सायट ना. बायगिणी आमचे कितकी वर्सां जाली आमकां जागो आसा, आमचे थंय चालू आसा. कितकेश्योच केसीस आमचेर म्हणजे कोर्टान चल्ल्यो, सगळी कडेन आमी जिखले. आनी आतां खंय तरी आमचे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आनी ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर मायकल लोबोबाब यांच्या प्रयत्नान टेंडर जाल्लें आसा. हळू करून हो प्लांट येवपाची आशा आसा. तो पर्यंत आमकां सद्या आत्मनिर्भर जावपाची गरज आसा. म्हणून ही आमी सुरवात केल्या. हेचे श्रेय सगळे आमच्या कमिशनर बाब संजीव रॉड्रिक्स आनी तेजी टीम जी आसा चूल, हे हांकां श्रेय वता. आनी आमचो टीम लिडर, आमचो जो MLA आसा बाबूश मनसरात, जेजो सपोर्ट आमकां सदांच आमकां मेळटा. ह्या सगळ्यांचे जॉयंट हेतून एज अ टीम हे वर्कान हे आमचे आमी आज हो बायोडायजेस्टर आमी इनॉग्रेशन केल्लो आसा. 3 आमचे आतां तेच्या पयलीं आमी पॉलिटेक्निकान हे केल्ल्या, प्रिंसिपल साहेबान एक इनॉग्रेशन केलां. आनी अशें करून आमी सिटी पळयल्या आसतली, तुमी कितकीशीच आमी लिफ्ट दवरता. लिफ्ट आमकां डंप सायट आसा ना सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या सगळ्या सिटी पेक्षा आमची सिटी क्लीन सिटी म्हणून आमची आसा. आनी हेजें श्रेय खरें लोकांकूय वता. जे लोकांक म्हाजें अपील आसा की घरान आमी कचरो, आमी फर्स्ट गोंयान आमी फर्स्ट सिटी, इंडियेक फर्स्ट सिटी आमी डोर टू डोर गार्बेज कलेक्ट करपाक म्हाका दिसता 2004 का 5 आमी हितून स्टार्ट केल्ले. फर्स्ट सिटी सेग्रिगेट गार्बेज कलेक्ट करपाक, 16 वे सेग्रिगेशन गार्बेज आमी कलेक्ट करपाक आमी फर्स्ट सिटी. बार्टर सिस्टम म्हणजे तुमचे कडेन तुमची दुधाची पिशव्यो जावं रद्दी आसा, जावं कार्डबोर्ड आसा, जावं पेट बॉटल्स आसा, त्यो तुमी खंयचे आमी दुकानां आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली आसा. त्या दुकानार तुम्ही व्हरून दिवन त्याच्या बदलाक तुमकां ब्रेड जावं कांदे जावं तांदूळ जावं कितें वस्तू तुमकां घेवंक मेळटा. ज्यो वस्तू तुमी भायर उडयता गार्बेज म्हणून भायर उडयता त्या गार्बेजीच्या हितून तुमकां ती वस्तू विकत घेवंक मेळटा. ही सोय आमी केल्ली आसा. हेजो तुमी फायदो घेवचो. आमचे कडेन लिस्ट आसा. हळू आमी सगळी कडेन आमी हे दुकानां आमी आयडेंटिफाय करपाची आसा आनी हेतून तुमकां एक गार्बेजीचो म्हत्व कळटा. आपलें घर लिप दवरपाचें आपलें दार लिप दवरपाचें जेणे करून सगळे जाण ऑटोमॅटीक ही शिस्त लागता. हांव परत एकदां चड कांय उलयना. आमचे इन्स्पेक्टर आमचे गोंयचे DGP जेणे म्हाज्या उतराक मान दिवन रोखडेच हांगा येवपाक हांगा तयार जाले एज अ चीफ गेस्ट. हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा. थँक्यू साहब, आप हमारे रिक्वेस्ट पे यहाँ आप एज अ चीफ गेस्ट आ गए. इन्स्पेक्टर जनरल IG हेका तांकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा. आमचे प्रिंसिपल थँक्यू म्हणटा. आनी सदां सगळ्या कडेन मागता की स्वच्छ आमची पणजी आशी गोवा स्वच्छ आसचो. ह्या खातीर सगळ्यांचो आमकां हातभार जाय. चड कांय उलयना. सगळ्यांक तुमी हांगा आयल्या बद्दल सगळ्यांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.